Here's trending app catch 10 seconds to replies. This app, as you can see, is going in the charts in social networking category. Probably it's just went viral on TikTok or something, and it's like very simple concept. So send a picture, your friends have 10 seconds to catch it. See how fast they reply. Let's catch them all. So that's basically the idea. It's similar concept to Be Real, but still it's a bit different. So here you don't receive notification and your friends don't receive notification. You just kind of nudge your friend to send picture to you during 10 seconds. And they only have 10 seconds to reply. And if they don't, it's a failure. So yeah, kind of that's the idea. So here you have an app. You just easily create an account with your phone number. Then you need to invite friends. You can add friends in different way. You can just invite them from your contacts. You can search them by by username. But finally you have friend, and for example this is my friend, and what I can do, I can just share my picture, and then in top I can see how he was last seen 8 minutes ago, so probably he is somewhere around. So then I can just tap my picture, and then I can just tap send, and then your friend is just being notified. And then here